Hi everyone, we are Group Eco Life from Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Aminuddin Baki. Look at our world right now. Look around you. This is where we live. A place filled with trash and wasteful food waste. Are you okay with it? Don't you want to do something? Introducing our solution. So for our concept, it's very simple. Our product is an eco house that is made out of plastic bottles that manage plant for you. All you have to do is just feed it with food waste. Now let's talk about its features. The roof. The roof is made from recyclable plastic. It is transparent and foldable. Next will be the blue LED light. It is used to increase the growth of plant. It will be on during the night and off during the day. Next, the mist spray. The mist spray is to maintain the humidity inside our product. Lastly, the composer. It's the place where we feed our product. Food waste will be placed inside the tray and into the soil in a special compartment. After the food is fully composed, it can be used to fertilize the plants. Now, let's watch a simple sketch video that is created by our artist. Now, let's get into the items required and estimation of cost. First, the most important items are the mineral water bottles. Next will be our natural energy generator.